Hey, g'day, it's Mike from HuRu. How you going? I'm going to show you how to work with groups on your HuRu card. By that I mean that as your card is passed on, it collects the name and the number of the recipient of that card. Okay, so I give it a Trev. I go down here. I go share this card, and I put in Trev's name and his mobile number. Hit send, and Trev goes into my database in my HuRu card so that I can follow him up later on. Now Trev's got a sister called Sue. He wants to give Sue my details as well. From my card, he opens it up, he puts in Sue, puts in the mobile number, hits send, and Sue gets my card. She's privy to have a look at all my information, and of course I can now follow Sue up, say, hey, look, I see that you've got my card, is there anything I can help you with? So the way that this all works is if I go to my settings, now I'm already logged in, and I go to apps, and I go to contacts, I can see everyone who's got my card. Okay, so if I wanted to ring them, I can just hit on the number and it'll just automatically dial from my mobile. Now I can put them into a group as well. So if I'm just going to go back, I hit the back button, and I'm going to go to groups, and I'm going to make a group called new clients. Okay, and I make this group, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to all of my contacts, and Annabelle here, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to manage her in the group, and I want to put her in the new clients group. So I click add, and Annabelle's now in new clients. I'm going to go back, I look at groups, and I want to view the new clients group. Here it is here, so I want to view the members. Okay, Annabelle's in that group. If I wanted to send a message to everybody in that group, I can go put the details in here and put in a number and send. Now, because there's the ability to bulk send messages in here, you would need to have some credit. Normally when SMS is getting sent via HuRu, it's using the SMSs on your phone. But all of the phone carriers have limitations on how many people you can bulk send messages to. So in here, if you wanted to bulk send to a group, no problem, but we have to use a different carrier to whoever it is that's supplying your phone, so subsequently there's a cost involved. So that's why that is. But you can group people into groups, and we're actually about to have it so that you can then export those groups and put them into your in-house CMS system or however you want to handle your database. But essentially you're building databases. Now we can have the default opt-in group. That means that if I wanted it that every time my card gets passed from one person to the next, they go into a default group, and I can then move them to other groups if I want. So if the default group happened to be Mike's list, I click that, and then anyone that gets added from my card getting shared is automatically going to drop straight into that group. So that's how easy it is to actually work with your contacts in here. And so if I wanted to ring someone back that I just met at a party last night, the newer ones are going to be, of course, added in here. I can just click on the number, give them a call and follow up, say, hey, have you had a chance to have a look at my card, or how can I help you? It was great to meet you last night. Whatever it happens to be, but it's accumulating all of your contacts as your card is going around the place. Okay, hope that helps clarify those numbers and those groups. Also, incidentally, anyone that's in here that's been added to your card, they can only be seen by you. Okay, no one else can pull these details up. It is very, very private. Every time that card gets passed on, it goes into your list, and that list is secured. Okay, so have a great day, and hope that's helped with these lists, contacts, and groups.